Hey folks, this is Greg Gulledge coming to you from southeast Arkansas, where Drew County has been decimated once again with the second winter storm of the season. We're going to walk around here and check out some of the devastating scenes in the area. As you can tell, we have plenty of snow on the ground. Plenty to build at least 14 or 15 snowmen. It was reported last night on Facebook that there were dozens of vehicles in the ditch. It has to be true, it was on Facebook. And let's ease over here. As you can see, just tons of snow. You can see we've had some major damage here. The boat cover has collapsed. Looks like I will be having to make another trip to Walmart to get another boat cover. As you can see, we have been stymied down here. It crippled once again. This is Greg Cantor Gulledge coming to you from Drew County. This report has been sponsored by Dude Wipes. Whether you go in the backyard, out of your deer stand, out of your boat, we got you covered. We take the poo off of you. Now back to you, Todd.